I3DL is a modular training and certification program. The contents of modules and submodules are customized to the needs of special target groups. Of course, an artist, fashion designer or a jewelry maker has different requirement in 3D printing compared to a mechanical engineer, researcher or a scientist. There are basic modules that are fundamental for everyone, and there are advanced and professional modules, which are targeted to specific topics. I3DL training and course structure is very simple and straightforward. Every module is designed to be equivalent to one ECTS, which is the European Credit Transfer System. There are in total over 30 modules, which we will discuss in details. Each module includes 20 hours of training, plus additional 5 to 10 hours of practice and self-learning, which brings it to a sum of 25 to 30 hours of workload. From these number of hours, it is usually planned that 8 hours is organized in a present form, like a workshop, seminar and project meetings. The rest is done in form of online learning, blended e-learning, practice, or project. Just to give you an idea about ECTS standard, one academic year corresponds to 60 ECTS credits that are normally equivalent to 1,500 to 1,800 hours of total workload in a year, for a full-time university student. I3DL training methods include various kinds of assignments, including readings, videos, webinars, tutorials, quizzes, Q&A sessions, discussion and several projects. I3DL also offers online courses, which is self-organized and self-paced. A prerequisite is that candidates or a local organizer have access to the required hardware such as 3D printers. I3DL is totally compatible with the concept of third-generation universities. The trainers are well experienced with these concepts, and it is well integrated in the courses. Major elements of this concept includes interactive training, practical and industrial projects, innovation and entrepreneurship, multidisciplinarity, research and development, and international recognition. Now it's time for you to get started with the 3D printing and I3DL. Get further information on www.i3dl.org.